Hello friends, thank you so much for clicking this video. I'm Sunday Oyewale from Octozi School of Shoemaking, where we take non-techie how to improve their craft. Yes, right in there you can see this is a sketch of this particular project you have in there. Yes, you can see it in there. That is a sketch of this. What I want to show you in this video is how you can transfer a normal sketch, a 3D sketch, down to a 2D format. Yes, here is a complete pattern of this project. Here is a complete pattern of this particular project in here. So how we were able to transfer the 3D drawing on the last to a 2D drawing is what I'm going to be showing you right now. So in this, you will be able to apply these two to some other design, not just to sneakers, but to other design you wish to make. Don't forget that I have a full course of this, a full course of this complete sneaker making from A to Z, from a sketching to the point of a finishing of a ready to wear sneakers. Yes, I have it on my platform. The link to that is the description of this. Yes, description of this. The course is a fully HD high definition, comprehensively being analyzed, detailed analysis. Yes, that's what I'm going to give you on our platform. So right now, to see this short transformation of a 3D drawing to a 2D ready to use pattern, let's go and see that right now. Welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, you get to see how I will be using these sketches that we've designed on the last. How I'm going to be using this to get our patterns out. Here, this project is on a 3D format, and I want to put it down on a 2D format. To do that, I come in here. After I've cut it around in here, I can then come over and open it. Come here. Drop this, pick my knife, then start cutting out. So having got this out, the next thing we need to do now is then come over and use this to get all parts of this out. So to do that, we come in here. I want to cut the side in here first, since there is no joining. So this has to flip over there. So what we'll do is that we'll come here, we'll pick our pen, coming out like this, and then it connects straight down. So whenever you're doing yours, kindly put a bit of pressure on it. I got to mark this, and I mark this out. So doing that right now, I can then come in here and connect all together. Having this here, I then need to extend this down, because when we're designing on last, this does not carry the inner what's going to go in the sew. Then I have to come down in here this way. If you're working with regular shoe can be 3 cm, but working with sneakers, that has to go in very well. I'm going to recommend you do 3.5. Cutting this off, because what is here is going to be lapping on this. Definitely we then come over and put an allowance in here. allowance in here for this to lap on it. So if this is going to be lapping on it, we're going to be putting at an average of 0.5 centimeter to 0.7 centimeter is good for the allowance. Just cut this out this way and connect the back. Because you don't have connection on the back does not mean that you can't really connect it. You can cut this out straight and connect it, but because there's no connection at the back of the project we are using as a reference picture, then there will not be disconnection at the back there too. So these are going to come and fix it. I'm just going to come in here and then drop this on it. Check it out. Here is what I've marked, and in the place of me trying to cut it out to make it more comfortable for me to be able to cut it, I overcut it so it's not covering where it should cover on the other side. So what I'm going to be doing right now, I'm going to come in here. I'll come in here and then use a masking tape on this. Use my masking tape. Okay. In here we have this now. It's going to go around this way. So I then come over and pick my scissors. Come in here. We'll be cutting right now we've cut this out. In here. Coming in here, there's a fold in that was used to stitch. So to that we're meant to add that to these two rounds. So to do that, this connection in here is going to extend. The same measurement 0.5 is going to go around that. Having get this out, we can then come in here and continue. Cut out, and we have this right now. You can see if I didn't join this the other time, all this would have gone out of our pattern. At this point right now, I need to pick my punch. The perforator, need to perforate it. Okay, more pleasure in that. Come in here again. Can I come in here? Come here now, and so we have this out. Opening this like this, look at it. So right, we're done with this. We can lay it aside and then come back to the front flap. In here, we still need to do that. So we'll come here and mark this. Then come in here to come and get this to it. Come and get this. To get this done, we can come in here and pick my pencil, draw this straight line. So in here is a complete pattern of the sneakers. Here is a complete pattern of the sneakers. I'm going to be using this itself to make the inner layer out. This is what we're going to also be using to have the inner layer out. So we have this. Here is it. This is balanced. The lining for this one too, inner layer of this one is balanced. And to make our placing hole, come here and make holes in it. Okay, we're done with this and we have our pattern out. Everything set, the inner, the upper, the main frame of all the pattern that we use to get all this out. The back, back, and the inner upper frame, the inner layer in here, all lines marked out, lace hole, and the arrangement parts here fixed. So our pattern is done like this. The next thing we need to do is to then come use our pattern to go cut our leathers out. Thank you so much for watching today's time. Hope you like what you've seen. If you like what you've seen, please don't forget to give a thumbs up. What you just watched is just an off course all out of our full course we have on the platform. We have a full course of this project on our platform. Please, to get a full course of that, there's a link in the description of this video. Go in there and you will be navigated to where you can take a full course of this project. You know, subscribe on this channel, subscribe, and then don't forget to click the notification bell so you get an update of a subsequent upload on this platform. I'm Oyewale Sunday, and whatever you do, never stop learning.